Okay, so we're doing this filter. I've seen all over YouTube, and don't mind my hair because I'm sick right now, and don't mind me coughing. I know, it's like disgusting, so just try to ignore that. All right, can I wear a skirt? No. Can I wear pants? Yeah, okay. Can I wear jeans? Yeah. Can I wear a pink shirt? Can I wear this shirt? Can I wear earrings? Can I wear heart earrings? Can I wear these earrings? Can I wear these circle earrings? Can I wear these Paris earrings? Yes. Can I wear socks? Can I wear these socks? Maybe. Can I wear them? Can I wear these socks? Naturally. I'm gonna take that as a yes. All right, shoes are next. Can I wear these Air Maxes? No way, like. Can I wear these sneakers? The ugliest shoes. All right, next. Can I wear a sweater or sweatshirt? Sweatshirt. Can it be pink? Can I wear a hat? Can I do my makeup? Can I at least put my lip gloss on? Chapstick? Can I wear this one? Okay. Can I put mascara on? Can I put blush on? Can I use this blush? Okay. Can I use this blush? Indeed. Can I wear highlighter? Can I wear yellow? Can I put lip tint on? Maybe. Can I wear this lip tint? Can I wear hand sanitizer? Will everybody watching subscribe? Will everybody watching like? And will everybody watching share? Yep. Do what the filter says.